Welcome to Sigsync Email Signatures for Office 365. Whether you're just trying out Sigsync or ready to implement it across your organization, get started with your signature. Complete the tenant registration and configuration process to set up your email signatures. Sigsync allows you to change the configuration mode based on your requirements. Once your setup is complete, you can proceed to create your first signature. Click the SignatureEditor tab from the dashboard. Setting up your professional email signature with Sigsync, an easy-to-use signature editor. Here, you can set fonts and colors according to your choice, as well as upload images such as organization logo, profile photo, and banner image to make your signature attractive and professional. Additionally, you can add a disclaimer to your signature to protect sensitive information and ensure compliance with company or legal policies. Sigsync offers free-of-cost email signature design services. Here, you just need to enter your signature specification details and submit. Sigsync expert designers will design your signature for you. Once your first signature is designed, you can set rules that define the conditions emails must meet for the signature to be automatically added. Sigsync provides simple options to create rules that determine the conditions under which signatures are added to your emails. You can also use the scheduler feature to plan and run email signature marketing campaigns at specific dates and times. If at any time you need assistance, you'll find the Help and Support option in the bottom left corner. Sigsync supports 24/7 to assist you with any setup, configuration, or technical issues. Click the Chat Now button and start a new conversation. Enter your query in the chat box to start the conversation. Sigsync support agent will typically reply in just a few minutes. You can also schedule a live demo to explore Sigsync's features and see how it works for your organization. Enter the required details and schedule your free product demo. We hope you enjoy using Sigsync and congratulations on taking the first step toward creating consistently professional email signatures. Sigsync provides all its setup and support services completely free of cost.